Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and in today's video I'm going to be kind of showing you guys how I do my manicure, my at-home manicure. I've been doing my own manicures at home for about 3 years now. I originally started doing my own nails because I was spending, I think, around $1,200 per year on getting my nails done, when it's just so easy to paint your own nails. But basically, I taught myself how to do my nails, and now I save over $1,000 per year doing them myself. That was one thing that I gave up when I was on my debt-free journey back in 2018, was getting my nails done. So I've kind of perfected the way that I do them. They look pretty good in my opinion as far as at-home manicures go. But just want to show you guys the products real quick before I get into the time lapse of my manicure. I got all these products I got from Amazon. I use the MamaPineapples brand base coat, polish, nail primer, and no wipe top coat. I always use white. White has been my go-to for the last, I don't know, 5 or 6 years. I never deviate. Sometimes maybe a light pink, but other than that, it's always white because it just looks classy and it goes with everything. And having a no wipe top is literally a game changer, because have you ever been to a salon, or maybe even did it at home, and the top coat, it has like a sticky residue on the top and then you have to wipe it with alcohol? I've had those kinds before and it's just really inconvenient. So having a no wipe top, it literally, after you cure the top coat, it's good to go. You can touch it, it's not sticky at all. So there's those products. Also, obviously, a nail file, and then a cuticle nipper. I don't know if that's the actual term for this, but a cuticle nipper to make sure that my cuticles are in tip-top shape before I get going into doing my nails. And then also, obviously, you need a LED gel lamp. Mine is by Melody Susie. It's got this cool like paisley type of print to it. I got this off Amazon as well. I'm not sure if you can find the same exact one as that one. I've tried to look for it before and I couldn't find it. Maybe it's back, I don't know. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I do my nails, then just keep on watching. And then don't forget to give a like, comment, and please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it if you're part of my pineapple family. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye! Alright guys, let's get started. First, usually what I'll do is just take a cuticle nipper and kind of clean up the cuticles just a bit. I am not an expert on doing my nails. This is just what I do. So don't come after me if you do it differently. Okay, once it's cleaned up, you want to make sure that you have your lamp plugged in. I usually do it for 60 seconds per time that you put your hand underneath the light. So first, I'm going to start off with this nail primer. It's a pH bonder. The pH bonder smells really strong and really bad, so I typically do not do a manicure when my daughter is here because I don't want her smelling these fumes. So I'll just put this under the lamp for 60 seconds and then I'll move on to the next step. Okay, it's been 60 seconds. Next, I will take the MamaPineapples, I hope I'm not butchering that name, MamaPineapples base coat. And what you want to do from here on out with the base coat, the color, and the top coat is use very thin coats. Try to take off a lot of the excess and brush it into the bottle. And what you want to do, hopefully you guys can see this, what you want to do is, so I take my my nail polish brush and I don't go straight to the edge near the cuticle. I go just before it and then push my brush up a little bit towards the cuticle, but not directly touching the cuticle. That helps so that the polish, base coat, or top coat does not touch your skin. If it touches your skin, it will lift a lot quicker. So make sure you don't touch the cuticle. You just want to get it just a hair above it. There you go. And then do that to all the fingers. I always try to get my mom and my sister to learn how to do their own nails because they both love getting their nails done. And I get it, it's like a pampering thing and it's not that expensive, but when you think of it, over the course of a year spending over $1,000 on somebody else painting your nails, it's ridiculous to me. And they say it's too hard, or I can't get it as perfect as you. Trust me, I was not good at doing my nails when I first started. It takes practice. And I've been doing my own nails for about, I don't know, maybe 3 years now, 2 to 3 years now. And obviously that saved me close to maybe $3,000 to $4,000 over that time of just doing my nails alone. Okay, so you'll see it's like super shiny. The next thing I will take, the next product I will take is the Ameli gel polish. I always use white, as I mentioned before. The only color that I use is white typically. I do want to branch out to maybe, I don't know, light pinks. I just find that like white goes with everything. It matches everything. And it just looks really clean, and that's what I really like, is that it's clean. I would love to find a nude that I like and matches my skin tone, or complements my skin tone, I should say. But I have yet to find one, because I love nude colors on other people, so I want to try it on myself as well. The only time I'll ever go to a nail salon really is when I need to get a pedicure. I can do my own toes, but the way that they do it is just so much better than the way that I do it. I'll typically only get pedicures when I'm going somewhere special, like on a beach vacation or something where my feet are going to be like showing a lot more, obviously. Or a wedding, things like that. It's nice to get pampered every once in a while, but since I got so used to doing my own nails, it's just easier for me, honestly, less time consuming to actually have to leave the house to get my nails done. I can just do it in the comfort of my own home. I don't have to drive anywhere. So what I'll do is I'll put 3 to 4 coats of the white and then do a top coat after. However, a lot of other colors I know you'll only need to do about 2 coats, but because it's white, you have to do a little bit more. It's a tedious process, but to me, it's completely worth it. So that's after 1 coat. It just boggles my mind, to be honest with you, because there's so many things I could be doing with my money other than getting my nails done, which will chip only like, I don't know, a week or so later anyways. Typically, doing my own manicures would probably take me from start to finish maybe about 30 to 40 minutes. If you go to a salon, sometimes it takes you, I don't know, anywhere from an hour to 2 hours from the time you leave your house to the time you get back. Because you have to drive there. Sometimes they make you wait even though you have an appointment. If I ever get any like smudges or anything like that that's like on my skin, I'll just take a nail and kind of scrape it away. There was some right there. I just take my nail and go like that. So this is the 3rd coat, and then I will do the top coat. I love this no wipe top coat. It's just good to go right after you're done, after the light has turned off. It's not sticky, not dry, not wet, not anything. It's just good to go. So if you're looking into getting a system to do your own nails at home, your own gel nails, then I'd highly recommend a no wipe top coat. Okay, And then last but not least, top coat. And with this, the top coat, I'm not really perfect with it. I just kind of slap it on. If it's a little bit on the medium thickness side, then that's okay. Inside or under the light, I'll like lift my thumb up like this, so I'll have my hand down on the flat surface, and then I'll lift my thumb so that my entire thumbnail gets the light. Because if you put it down like this, I find that this edge right here that's closest to the surface doesn't really get the light, and then it can look kind of wonky sometimes. So I just lift up my thumb like that underneath the lamp. It's 6 a.m. and the sun's not even out yet. Crazy. 1, 0, okay. And we're done. And it's completely, you can touch it, it's good to go. There you go. And then typically what I'll do is put some cuticle oil on it, but I'm gonna wait to do that until after I'm done doing this hand. Alright guys, and right here I'm just going to do a sped up version of my manicure to finish it off. I didn't want this video to be too long, so I'll just do this sped up version, and then I'll get back to you guys after, kind of explain to you guys what I do after my manicure is done. I kind of wanted to go back in more detail explaining how I do painting my nails. So hopefully you guys can see this, but I'll take my brush and just go before the cuticle and push up with my brush to get as close to the cuticle but not touching it. I'll do that in the center and swipe down, and then do that to the left side and the right side as well. There we go. And then same with this finger, up to the middle, on the sides, and I'll kind of round out, and I'll go as close to the skin as I can on the side walls of the nail, but not touching it. You touch your skin, and then with the gel polish, and you put it under the light like that, it will dry like that, and it will lift up a lot quicker. Versus if you just do it the method that I'm doing. Nobody will be able to tell either that you're not right up to the cuticle. Just go slow and controlled, especially because I'm doing my right hand and I'm right-handed. The right hand always takes me the longest, but the slower you go and not rushing it, the better results you will get. If I am like hard up on time and I need to get it done, instead of the 60 seconds, I'll do 30 seconds instead. My manicures definitely don't last as long, but it gets the job done. Okay, and last step is the top coat. Like I said before, with the top coat, you can be a little bit more, I wouldn't say sloppy, but not as precise. Just make sure not to get it on your skin, because you do not want your polish that you just worked so hard on to lift up within a few days. And then when I take my hand out, it'll be completely ready to go. I don't have to wipe off any sticky residue or anything. It's awesome. And by the way, I got this on Amazon. And I think it was maybe, I don't know, it was either $7 to $15, somewhere around that range. It wasn't that expensive. But this thing will last me forever. Okay, nails done. I'll just kind of put a drop on each nail and then rub it in. Okay, I'm gonna do the same for the other hand. are done, and that's how I do my manicure. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.